Morning, everybody. Today we are gonna play the shuffle game. I want to get the toolboxes and shop supplies moved into the new shop. To do that, have to change the skid loader tire. It is flat and trashed. Have to move some equipment around so we can get the trailer that has all of our shop supplies on it out of the big white barn behind me here. One customer coming for a bundle of hay. That's all I can think of right now. But get some stuff out of the shed, shuffle it around so we can get what we're looking for. Follow along. Going to look at changing this skid loader tire. There we go. As you can see, this one's pretty worn down, and it finally gave out. There's a couple bald spots somewhere else where that tire's just been used up and worn out. So I grabbed our spare and discovered a minor snafu with that. Right there is a nail in it. So we get to do the tire plugging procedure again, but that's also why I keep the supplies for that on hand, because, well, it's a farm. Things happen. No big deal. We'll slap a plug in that, air it up, and we should be good to go. Looks like one of the nails I was taking out from the tin on the other barn. Of course, that's not working because the tire doesn't have any air in it, so it's not actually hitting, it's just bouncing back on me. There we go. But we got it. Oh, there we go. Just had to give her a little step. So we're back in the old shop right now to do this because this is where I've been keeping this thing plugged in. This might be the first time ever that this limestone floor came in handy. The history here is this location. I never saw it. I'm not old enough, but apparently where I'm standing in this old shop is exactly where the first barn on the whole property was built. It burned down a long time ago. I think Dad said he was about 18 years old when it burned down. So there was always this really kind of fractured, unlevel concrete here that equipment just got parked on, and Dad put this shed here years ago. So we have very unlevel concrete underneath this limestone, which he used to kind of give it some sort of floor that wasn't jagged and a huge pain to deal with. Well, it's still not quite level, which in this case came in handy. When I parked the skid loader, I didn't notice it, but that wheel that I had to change is actually sitting a little bit in a hole, so there was no weight on it, so I didn't have to use the front loader arm on it or a jack or anything else to lift it up to change that tire. I was just able to pop the old one off, move a little bit of the lime out of the way, and slap the new one on. So that's pretty awesome. It's nice when things work out for you. So we got this going now. The tire's good. So we will proceed to start moving some stuff, I think. Well, that was a little tighter than I really like. Putting a lot of pressure on the wheels on the trailer because I'm not really sure how much all this weighs. But we got it out. We'll get it unloaded, and we'll tuck it back in there empty. So if we need the trailer for something, we can use it. So we'll get after it. Well, in the process of transferring the toolboxes to the new shop, we still have bolt bins and storage and welding stuff to move, but that'll probably be another day. As you can see, trying to take it nice and easy. I don't want to damage these. I really like them. I already moved my green one. I'll show you guys once I get them set in place, and we'll see how it looks. Not really sure still how I want it set up, but that's okay. Well, as you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff in here now, but just imagine all of that used to be one way or another crammed into that old shop. Got our toolboxes kind of generally where I want them. I'll sort that out another day and then organize and clean up this corner. So not perfect yet, but everything's inside. Got all my tools here now. Start being able to use it. So thanks for watching.